yogurt 3 tablespoons, cream 1 tablespoon, tomato. This tomato is frozen. It was frozen, so when I got it out, I peeled its skin because tomatoes get cooked easier if we peel off their skin. And because I removed it out of the fridge like an hour ago, I could easily peel the skin and then cut it roughly. Then chicken tikka. This is frozen Al Kabir chicken tikka. And then masalas. In masalas we have cumin powder, 1 teaspoonful, 1/4 haldi powder, turmeric, half ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, salt as per taste, and coriander powder 1 teaspoon. These were also frozen chilies and coriander, 1 tablespoon of curd, and all the other spices that were in this plate are inside this, and we will marinate them for 15 minutes. So to make it a little dhaba style, I want this oil to be heated enough to have smoke in it. I have not added this remaining masala because I want only chicken to be cooked in and have its crispy side of it. Now one side is all brown. Now I'll not cook it more. I'll add the tomatoes and the remaining masala. Now you can see it's getting cooked on high flame. Okay, and I'll cook it on high flame like this for 10 minutes. Okay, so after 10 minutes it looks like this, and I'm going to put cream, only 1 teaspoon full. 1 tablespoon is a lot actually, and I don't want to sleep. And we'll quickly stir this cream. If you want, you can add water in this to make it a little gravy, but I want it dry. So my own version of dhaba style chicken tikka masala is ready. Feel free to make your own recipe, and you can have it with roti, paratha or rice.